If you want to keep your files organized, creating folders is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this tutorial from Learnova, I'll show you how to create a new folder on a Windows laptop. These steps work on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Let's begin. First, navigate to the location where you'd like to create your folder. This can be your desktop or any folder inside File Explorer. Once you're in the desired location, right-click on an empty area. If you're using a laptop trackpad, you can usually perform a right-click by tapping with 2 fingers. A menu will appear on your screen. From the menu, select New, then click Folder. Windows will instantly create a new folder. You can now type a name for the folder. After entering the name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a new folder on your Windows laptop. Thanks for watching Learnova. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and useful tech tutorials.